Hi and welcome. Today we're going to talk about one of the successful corporate strategies in the soft drink industry, which is Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola was first started in Atlanta, Georgia, in 1886 by Dr. John Pemberton at Jacob's Pharmacy. In that year, they only sold 9 drinks, can you imagine? But today, they have affiliations with 500 brands selling 17 billion drinks around the world every day. And this is because of their effective marketing strategies. They started by distributing complimentary Coke and coupons to depict the trademark logo and increase its visibility. Secondly, they started operating in most parts of the world. They have different market shares and products depending on the market. Coca-Cola has a high dependency on its bottling partners around the world. Thirdly, by joining social networks and popular culture-related activities to shorten the distance between the brand and consumers. In general, the corporate goals of Coca-Cola can be summed up as gaining new customers and market share and ensuring the ability of the organization to remain a market leader.